Fifi.
What?
Can I make a flower?
Yeah.
Okay. You're not going to mess with my flower, are you?
No.
Okay, here we go.
I'm not.
Here we go. Here. Fifi, don't tell her to mess it up, Fifi. Okay. I don't know what this crazy is doing over here. What happened, Milo? I don't know what he's doing over here. He's being silly. Okay, look at my flower again. Fifi. Fifi is her play friend. And she wants my flower. No, you don't do that. No, no. No, because that means it's tickles. You mess up my flower. That means it's tickle time. Oh. I think she wants tickle time.
It's not tickle time.
It's tickle time.
I'm just knocking it up.
Oh, you're not? Oh, thank you. That's sweet of you.
Oh, whoa.
What else should I make? Should I make a road with little paw prints?
Come on, get me. What?
Make paw prints.
Will you make this Mr. Sparkly or make it something? Here.
Ooh, pretty. Let me show the camera my pretty creation. Ooh, it's pretty, huh? It did look like a flower, and then I don't know what it turned into. Play-Doh feels fun, huh? Feels good?
Yeah.
I'm gonna make a ball now. Should I make a little ball now? Okay.
Don't mess on my flower.
I'm not gonna touch your flower, even though you touched my flower.
Yes, I am.
Oh, that's pretty. Let me see. Look at that.
Just
Good
mess
job.
it up.
I'm not messing it up.
Yeah,
Oh, you want me to mess it up?
I'm gonna make it now.
I'm a big dinosaur and I messed it up.